ba, mas importante ang tone mo kesa sa words mo? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Dogs don't get our sentences, pero they feel our emotion. Kahit sabihin mong, good boy, pero tense ka, hindi nila mararamdaman ang encouragement. Gusto mo sila maging calm? Focus ka sa energy mo. Speak gently. Soft lang, hindi harsh. Move slowly. Kasi pag magbibiglang galaw ka, stressful sa kanila yon. And lastly, relax your body. Dogs mirror your vibe. Simple lang, di ba? Pero very powerful. Calm ka, equals calm sila. Kung kalmado ka, kalmado rin sila. Try mo to sa dog mo today. Save this tip and share these to other dog parents.